What's going on, guys? Jason here, just back with a quick unboxing. Received 6 products today. Lucky enough to do some testing and for Voopoo, and receive some products to put through their paces. So what I'm going to do is going to do 3 in the first video, 3 in the second video, and yeah, talk about what I got. Just give you a quick rundown of what's in the box. Haven't gone too much into all the specs and all that yet, but we will do that when I use them a little bit, and yeah, go from there. Also, don't forget the giveaway we're running for the drag Nano, for 2 drag Nanos actually. Finishes 3 days, I think. 3 days it finishes. So yeah, jump on the Voopoo Friends group page, follow the links, and it's all there. Yeah, just got the vaping on the X217 with the Dead Rabbit RTA at the moment. Something a little bit different. So first product I received, Drag Mini Platinum. Obviously I have a Drag Mini, didn't have a Platinum though. So yeah, it is a kit as well, so anyway, what we'll do is we'll flip it around and we'll have a look at what we get in the box. So obviously, Drag Mini, all your standard stuff, QR code, scratch and sniff. Your colour is on this one, Atrovirans, Platinum Atrovirans. Your warnings, and obviously your contents. Your Drag Mini, 117 watt, U-Force N1, USB cable, warranty cards, T2. So I mean, it's a standard mini kit really. All your social media and stuff just through there. So let's open her up. This is the part I love. I just love like seeing what's inside. Even though this one's opened, haven't had a look inside yet. So obviously I'm not going to go into it too much because we all know what's in here. You've got all your warranty. We'll quickly open her up and have a look in there. So you got your Drag Mini, your instruction book, your warranty card, your U-Force T2 tank, and your gene chip card. Yeah, we won't go into that too much because obviously everyone knows. I mean, the Mini and the Drag 2 have been out for a while now, so let's have a look at it. Oh wow, it's an interesting resin. It is nice and shiny though. Yeah, see reflections. Hey, fingerprints don't tend to show up so much. Maybe a little bit, but geez, it looks alright. Let's have a look at the tank, because obviously these ones have all the matching tanks with them. Yeah. So yet again, matching drip tip. Screw, 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 screw. So that's it there. The Mini Platinum. I do like it. An all platinum version without the resin would be awesome. But yeah, I do really like the platinum, and I'm hoping we'll solve the paint issues. So yeah, pretty standard. Anyway, so that's the first product. That's the sorry, just get the camera right again. That is the Drag Mini. Oh, this is terrible. That is the Drag Mini. A nice little resin pattern with Antrovius, or whatever they called it. Antrovius. Obviously, your packaging, you get your data. You get it's standard spare glass. So you got your spare glass in there. You got your bag of goodies, which has your spare coil, which is your single mesh coil, data cable, and obviously you got your silica around the bottom there. Like I said, not going into too much into details because most of you who watch this video will either have one or pretty much know what comes with it. There's plenty of videos which really go through the box, but yeah, really nice. So second item I got Drag 2 Platinum. I love the drags, always have. This one is the Scarlet. So still sealed. Yeah, again, very similar. Scarlet. Oh, it's not focusing. What I'll do is flip it around again and we'll have a look and see what we get. So obviously, all your contacts, you got your drag 2 being 177 watt, U4 Sound 3, USB cable, warranty card, warnings, scratch and sniff, your colour, which is Platinum Scarlet, all your social media. So yeah, anyway, this one is sealed, so let's open her up. Couldn't find my knife, so screwdriver it is. This one obviously I haven't had a look at and did come sealed. I love opening up a new vape, but it's just, I find it so satisfying. Have a quick vape. And the Drag 2 Scarlet. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Jeez, it's really stuck in there. Really was stuck in there. So this one's obviously the Scarlet, so yeah, like, ooh, pretty. Let's just open it and have a look. Obviously you got all your book where all your warranty and stuff is, but wow, that is black and red. And yeah, 177 watt drag. Pretty much all the same stuff as the previous tank, really. Nothing too fabulous about it, but the drip tip on this one, just having a look at it, wow, that is red. Obviously this dual battery, 18650. So the Scarlet Drag 2. That is a red drip tip. So that's obviously they're both the platinums. So we have the Drag 2, Scarlet, and the entry, whatever they call it. I can't pronounce it. The Atrovirans. If anyone can pronounce it better than me, you're doing a better job. Because I have no idea how that's pronounced. And we fall. I have no idea how that's pronounced. Sorry, my tripod broke last, and I haven't had the chance to go out and get another one. So I'm using an old one at the moment. So yeah, that's it. I mean, you got the Drag 2 there. There's a nice, very red drip tip. I do like it. And you got the mini, both the platinum kits. So very nice. Hopefully, like I said, the paint is the biggest thing. Hopefully this has solved all the paint issues. Because everyone knows, you get a drag, the paint's going to wear out. So we'll just get all that away. And we have one more item for this first video. Something new, something I don't really get... Well, I say I really don't get into a lot, but I've been using a lot more lately. And it's another drag. The Drag Nano pod kit. Have been rocking pods a lot more often, and yeah, anyway, we'll put this down the table and we'll have a look at what we get with it. So you got your Drag 2 Nano Pod Kit by Voopoo. I'm not sure, it doesn't actually say the colour anywhere, but it's got that on the front, so I'm guessing it's like more the ink, what you call in Drag 2. You got all your social media down the sides. Scratch and sniff. Okay, let's just try and turn this a little bit. There we go. Then you got all your content. So you got your Drag Nano USB cable, warranty card, your pod, which is a 1mm pod, and it runs at 1.8 ohms. You get one of them. You get a user manual. You get your chain necklace, because obviously it comes with a chain necklace, and your gene chip card. Yet again, sealed. It's so tempting to open this one today, but I thought I'd wait and do it. So let's open her up. Yep, it is an ink one. It is tiny as well. Oh, wow. So it's the platinum finish, obviously, that's where your pod goes. Wow, it's tiny. Obviously, internal battery, I haven't looked too much into the specs, but meh. Well, there it is. There's the book. So obviously, you got all your books. So your Drag Nano Pod user kit there, user manual, warranty card, and my gene chip card still in there. So your pod, you get your pod with it as well. Slightly different design pod by the looks of things, just obviously pushes in the top there. This is one I am 100% going to use. Data cable for upgrading the software or charging it. Being an internal pod system, internal battery, sorry, you really got to charge it. There's no other way. And the chain, the Voopoo chain. I don't know if I could rock the chain. Wow, it's I thought it just broke, but it didn't. That's obviously a little bit to tie on there so you can get the chain on it. But yeah, that's it. Wow. Voopoo Nano. I do quite like the look of it. I am going to use it. It is one I'm going to 100%. Sorry. I'll fire it up. Definitely give it a charge. Fire it up. But yeah, if you want to look at size comparison, this is the Drag Mini. Sorry, I had a brain fart for a sec there. And that's the Nano. Like, it is tiny. The only way, like, it's a Zippo lighter but thinner. And it is light. It is really light. But 100% gonna give this little bad boy a go. Have to have a look into how you feel it. But yeah, obviously that's literally it. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off now. I'm gonna go chuck some stuff on charge, and I'll see you in the second part of the video where we go through the other 3 products we got today. Alright guys, have a good one.